So this program is designed for each of you. It's not my journey, it's your journey. And the set of tools and techniques, introspective questions and quadrants which you'll find as you go along this journey is designed to help you find your individual Ick-ee-guy, not mine. A lot of times we find motivational speakers talking about, hey, you need to follow your passion, go after your passion. But hold on, is it practical? Is there a practical approach or methodology which can enable you to really go after your passion? And if yes, when? And out of your various passions, which one? Now these are things which you will be exploring as you go ahead in this particular program, which will enable you to find the unique strength, passion which connects to the world and which also will give you handsome returns as you move ahead. The unique strength in you or your unique passion. And once you find it, you'll be treading on the path alone on your journey. Because remember, we don't compare, we don't look at other people. It's our own individual journey which we can keep doing for the next 50 or 60 years. Long life, that's one of the secrets of Ick-ee-guy. We believe in centenary lives. So looking forward to now jump in. You're at the right place. Jump in into the program and explore this journey with an open mind, with an open heart, and go through the entire exercises slowly and surely. Take time out. This is not one of those books or Netflix movies which you can fast forward and see. I would encourage you to pause whenever necessary. Take time and come back. You can even come back after a day or two. Think, introspect, let it seep in. It's like slow cooking. It needs to seep in, and as I said, it's your journey, not mine. So you need to know at what point to start, what point to stop, and when you can slowly move ahead. So all excited to see you on the inside. Thank you so much.